Hello and welcome to the new Mandarin Oriental Downtown Dubai. I'm going to give you a quick tour of my corner suite, room 3011. The hotel opened in November 2025. It's now December 2025, so this is brand new still. The hotel sits just off the Sheikh Zayed Road, the main artery running through Dubai, about 15 minutes drive from the airport. About 25 minutes drive if traffic's okay down to Dubai Marina, and 15 minutes to the beaches over there. This is your living space. In this suite, at least, you have masses of it. They have a very varied inventory. Entry-level rooms are really big as well. Obviously, everything is very plush. Showing you the view a little bit more, if you scale down, you can just about see the pool area. So that's a 25-meter lap pool for reference, and a lagoon pool beside it. Just to the corner there, that's the Coca-Cola Arena concert venue where I saw the Corrs play a few months ago. Very proud moment for me as an Irishman. They were amazing, and they get not super famous acts. They tend to go to Abu Dhabi, but quite credible acts playing there occasionally. Here is your minibar area. You get lots of space. It's not a huge minibar itself though. There's your quick look inside. I'll show you through to the bedroom now. And just in the corner there, you can see, in fact, I'll give you a quick look, the guest WC. Okay, moving through to the bathroom. It's massive. There I am. Toiletries are by the Spanish brand Natura Bissé from Barcelona. I first encountered that brand in the Mandarin Oriental at the Ritz in Madrid, and it seems they're now using it in more and more of their properties, so it's one of their preferred partners. Here's your bath kit. There's the tub, very, very big. Toilet over there, and shower in there. In fact, I'll give you a look. They have a handy stool if you get exhausted and doing whatever you're doing in there. So bedroom through here, I have just got up, so it's not looking as pristine as it was when housekeeping took care of it, but very comfortable. You can hear some ambient noise because I've got a door open, but actually when it's sealed, it's very, very quiet. I'll explain that to you in a moment. Walk-in wardrobe, but wardrobe space over there. And let me show you this next view. It's very distinctly Dubai. It's Sunday morning, so traffic isn't horrendous, but that's often the case. You can see the metro line, the airport is just up that way, and if you're in one of the other rooms, you get stellar views of the Burj Khalifa, still the world's tallest building. So wherever you are, you're not overlooked by another tower. Great views are guaranteed. And here's the other special thing I wanted to show you. You heard a little bit of traffic noise because the door is open, and even here on the 30th floor I have my own balcony. This is a very, very unusual and special feature. It feels really distinct and actually quite glamorous to have this private space up here. I don't encounter it in many Dubai hotels. Perhaps you can't even hear what I'm saying because it is quite noisy out, but there is the view again. It's a beautiful sunny day, 24 degrees at the moment, I believe. Great time to be in Dubai. And that's it. That's your quick overview, or somewhat quick overview, of a corner suite at the new Mandarin Oriental Downtown Dubai. And I would also give a quick commendation for the service. It's been really excellent considering the hotel has only been open a month. So it's got that going for it too. There you go.